So now we're back with the other juice. It's cantaloupes with turmeric, pineapple, and oranges. It's the golden juice. So that's what I'm doing now. Ginger going in, cantaloupes. I'm trying to move a little bit faster now. I have a handful of turmeric, which is very, very good for the immune system. So that's going in. More turmeric. I have some small oranges. I'm gonna put them in. The pineapple. And of course I have more star fruit. I had to change the setup for my juicing. So I changed to a big pot with my strainer bag. The strainer bag to make sure that I don't get any fragments from the juice, or pulps then from the juicing. Because that little thing wasn't holding the juice, I had to switch off and change it, okay? We're down to business now. Some more turmeric. I have lemon going in, small oranges, they're peeled. See? More star fruit. I'm just in love with the star fruit. Turmeric. More oranges and cantaloupe. I'm going to reverse it. Sometimes things get stuck. I love making juice. I can't help it. It keeps my skin looking fresh. It energizes me. Yep. So I just love doing this. If you ask me right now what my hobby is, I'll tell you juicing and working out. I don't have anything else to do, so that's what I do. Take care of me. And I hope if you're following along, you'll do the same. Yeah, there's a reward at the end of the day. When you look at yourself, you feel good. You have energy to do. Well, it is getting cold. Well, it's not cold yet, but the weather is changing. It's autumn. I have to wear a sweater outside right now if I'm going out. So I'm gonna be more mindful about making my smoothies in the morning. I stopped doing that because summertime I didn't want that heavy smoothie when I was going out. But now it's getting to that point that we really need to be, to be doing a little bit more. So I'm going to be doing my smoothies. I'm making more juices. Yeah. The color on this is something else. I'll show you in a minute when I put it in the bottles. The first set of juices, they're in the fridge. And I'm going to bottle this right away. As soon as this is empty, I'm going to bottle it and come back and show it to you when I'm done. But yeah, this is it. So let me repeat. Cantaloupe, oranges, pineapple, and I have some guava. I don't know even if I should put them in. I'll see. But I love this combination with the pineapple, the cantaloupes, and the oranges with turmeric and ginger. So this is about to be done. I'll put the rest of my cantaloupe in. See how fast this thing full up? Piece of pineapple. And this is what is left. I changed my mind about the guava. I'm gonna leave the guava, put it into something else. I went out shopping and I found all of these nice things, so I got them. Yeah. And funny enough, Walmart had the guava. And then I went to this Jewish store and found the star fruits. I couldn't believe it when I saw them. The star fruits and the dragon fruit, I found them in a Jewish place, yeah. But you know me, I'm all over the place. I get up and I go work out, and on my way back I stop. I look, I go into the shops and pick up this, pick up that, little stuff here and there. And if I see something I want, I buy it. Yesterday I found fresh ginger, the organic ones, coming out of the crocus bag. Crocus bag. When I saw that, they put it at $3.99 a pound. I tell myself, by Thanksgiving I need it for my sorrel. So I pick up $3.99 pound. I pick up 5 pounds. I'll show you. I don't play. If I see it, I buy it. Yeah? This is America, so when we see something, we have to catch it. Because the next minute you can't find it. It's not like you people in Jamaica who have everything fresh. Daily, we go out looking for what to buy, to get good stuff. You have to make friends in the supermarket with these people to make sure you get the good stuff when you go in there. Because sometimes you will get stale meat and things like that. If I go and see the pile of stuff looking too low, I'll ask somebody, do you have more of this? And they'll bring it out and give it to you. Yeah. Not buying no stale food. So that's all we do. Yeah. It's not like I'm shopping every day, but because I know what I want and I want to be eating like nice fresh vegetables and stuff, I stop and I buy in the Jewish stores them too, because they have the good stuff. Yeah. That is the key to this thing here in America. Jewish places, they sell their own people good stuff. So I go there. So I'm gonna bottle this and bring it back to show you. I can't help but show you the color of this thing before I bottle it. This is it. Look, it's pretty. The turmeric, the oranges, the cantaloupe. So I'm gonna bottle these and come back. Okay? All right, bye. So this is the juice I made today. I have some more in the fridge. Just couldn't take out everything. I'm tired. I only got one bottle of the cabbage, the red cabbage and beets. And this is the honeydew melon with cantaloupe, with honeydew melon with cucumber. And this is the cantaloupe. I had carrots to it. This is a cantaloupe, turmeric, pineapple, and oranges. I have more stuff, but I'm tired. So this is it. I'll continue tomorrow when my family gets here. So this is the juice. I don't believe I did all of this today. And I have more in the fridge. Okay, my people. Bye. Have a good night. Again.